Right guys, so we're about to do a walkthrough of Thomasland here at Drayton Manor. So what better way to start than to have a bit of a Halloween show going at the front of Knapford Station. So this station here is where Thomas comes in. So there's usually either Thomas, Rosie or Percy that go here, and you can go to the back of the park if you want to.
Great job, kids, but come on, grown-ups.
And then moving to the left hand side, you've got the Thomasland gift shop, and then good old, I call him the fat controller, but Sir Topham Hatt statue. To the right here, you've got Troublesome Trucks. So that's the roller coaster that's here in Thomasland. We're going over to Submarine Splash in a second. I'll take you around to the left hand side here now so you can see these rides. So you've got the splash zone here on the left for this ride. And trust me, you will get wet on that ride if you're around it.
That one there?
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's just for the winter season though, to be honest. So usually these bits here that are in blue, they allow you to squirt people. But that's Captain's Sea Adventure, that one. And then to the right here, this is Flynn's Fire Rescue. So you can get soaked on these two rides. And then up here, this is Sodor Airport. Sodor Airport is basically the cafe here. So you can get food and drink in there. And then you've got Jeremy's Jet Flying Academy there. Yeah, we're heading over there now, bud. You've got James and the Red Balloon here on the left. The newest attraction here at Thomasland for 2023. This is the Thomas and Percy Submarine Splash. So it's like a little mini log flume.
It's not a log flume, it's a boat ride.
It's a boat ride. Right, cool. And then we've got the Blue Mountain engines here on the left hand side, a little merry-go-round. And then this is Toby's. This is the final ride on the left hand side of Thomasland. That kind of spins around. Toby's Tram Express, that one. Right, so that's the left-hand side of the park done. Well, the left-hand side of Thomasland, should I say. And we're now going to take you over to the right-hand side and show you the rides that are on that side.
This is the last one, yeah?
So yeah, like I said, that's Troublesome Trucks. I think on the left-hand side as we go through here now, this has actually got all the ride heights on it. So if you're interested in wanting to know what your kid can and can't do, they're all there, the height requirements, and there's a place for you to be able to check the heights there as well. And this train station, as you saw before, also doubles as the main stage here for Thomasland as well. So all the main shows, they all take place here. For the Halloween season here, this is Sir Topham Hatt's trick or treat station, so the kids can knock on the door and Sir Topham Hatt opens the door, which was quite good. We did that earlier on with Ollie. We have a sweet shop, and again trick or treating was in there earlier on. If you want to get on Thomas or Percy or Rosie for that matter, it's just into that part there on the left hand side. And then we'll do a quick lap round here and take you around to the far right hand side of Thomasland. So straight ahead of us, that's Harold's Helicopter Tours. We'll go straight up there and you can go in a Harold helicopter spinning around. Good place to see Thomas pull into Knapford Station there as well. You can actually go up them steps. Next to Cranky, there's Cranky. So that's like a little mini drop tower. And then Rocking Bulstrode. That's one of Ollie's favourites. Moving around here now, you've got the Thomas Land shop, so if you're looking for anything Thomas related, all your merchandise is in there. We'll have a quick scan in here just in case you're interested, just have a look. Right, so here you go, here's the shop. There's all sorts in here. And then I'll take you around and show you the rest of it now. So also as well, outside of all of Harold's ride, you can see all these engines, so there's plenty of photo opportunities there as well for the kids. This line up here, this is for Winston's, which is for up there. I'll take you around there in a second to show you. But that's a good ride if you want to have a good view of the park, or Thomas Land anyway. And then we're reaching now the final bit of Thomas Land before you get into the rest of Drayton Manor. So on the right hand side here you've got Diesel's Locomotive Mayhem, a little spinny ride. You've got the Bertie bus here that goes up and around. And then you've also got Ladies Carousel on the right hand side. On the left you've got Sodor Classic Cars, which just go around and actually into the shop as well, which is a cool little experience. And then up at the top there, that's Winston's Whistle Stop Tour, so that's what I was talking about, that gives you all around the park. And then now, you're exiting Thomas Land. So there you go guys, that's your quick tour of Thomas Land here at Drayton Manor at the end of 2023.